Here we go. Quick video to show you how to submit your screenshot from the results from the quiz and the practice. So you're right here and you're going to click submit assignment. There is the description of your assignment right there, and then you're going to click submit assignment. You're going to click insert. When you do the screenshot, it saves to your computer. So you just need to go here to insert image, upload image, and then you find your image. So let's say you got that one. Click open. Right here it says submit, and it shows like that. And you're gonna click insert again, image, upload image, and you find your other image, the other screenshot. Click open. It's going to show, and then you click submit, and then you have your two images right there. And then after you have your two images, you can click submit assignment and it'll be done. I hope this helps. If you still have questions, just let me know. Okay, all right, I'll see ya.